Hello, this is Craig from Rize Bikes, and I'm here today to show you how to change your controller or the battery management system, or as we call the balancer. In this case, we are looking at our 2021 Rize. To change these, it is very simple. All you need is a 3mm Allen wrench. All the components are housed inside this compartment here. Simply move your pedal down to the lowest position, and you'll unscrew these 4 Allen bolts. There is no specific order to these, so you can remove them in any order you wish. And there we go. We've removed the faceplate for the housing unit. As you can see here, we have our bundle of wires, our controller, and in the back here is our balancer. The balancer is connected directly from each battery port, the second battery going here, and the internal battery here. From here, power will go to the controller. If we need you to change either of these parts, it's as easy as pulling them out, unplugging them, and plugging the new ones back in. Same with the controller. There's multiple wires, but it's very simple. Just remember, when plugging these back in, pay special attention to the copper wires that are on the inside, and make sure you line up the notch correctly, and they should pop in quite easily. Once you've rewired your controller or your balancer, it may take a little finesse to get this put into the right spot. First suggestion is make sure the wires for the balancer are facing the front. That way the balancer will fit nicely in between the bottom bracket housing, which is this round part, and the screw point for the faceplate. Simply push that into the back. The controller, you'll simply work your way in. It may require doing a little bit of adjustment because of wires that might be in the way in the back as you push it in. Once you can get to the controller into a position where it's nice and flush, it's just a matter of pushing in all the cables into the open space available. And there we go. Putting on the faceplate is just as easy. Simply slide it over the crank, making sure you're not pinching any of the wires. For this one, I suggest you start with the upper left corner first. Lining this one up will make it much easier to line up the upper right corner, which is being pushed out by some of the wires. This just makes your life a little easier. And there we go. That is how you change the controller or the battery management system in our Rize 2021 models.